So I decided that since that other light worked so well, and when I have the garage door up, this light here is completely blocked by it, I'm going to add an additional light in front of or just behind the garage door. That way when the garage door is up, I still have work light there. So if I do happen to have the door open for some reason, I can see what I'm doing. And also this light isn't the existing light isn't the best, and I do like the new light, because this was just an old free kitchen light that I got. So just following the instructions, putting plywood on the ceiling. Well, they don't say that, but I would do that and then put the screws in and attach it and then put another screw so it doesn't move and then test it. And it works. Yay for another light. So since it worked so well last time, I got another one of these commercial electric 4-foot LED shop lights at Home Depot. That's the model. That's what it looks like. And yeah, it worked. Unlike this one, which is above the garage door, this one should be back past the garage door, at least for some of the bulbs. So that will mean that when it's dark out, and if I have the door open, I still have light. And that also means that if I end up using the lathe in that spot, since that's where it sits, I have light right above the lathe, which there. So that should make it nice and bright. So that'll be good. So yeah. And I switched. Previously I had that other light plugged into that power strip that's hanging over there. Now I went along the side and just added another power strip since I had this plastic piece already, and I just plugged it into that same outlet. So there's a total of a radio and 2 lights, more or less. Sometimes there's fans plugged into that one as well, but that's fine. That'll work just great. Yay, more light. And if I decide I only want one versus the other, I can always turn that one off, because it has the pull cord. If I want them both off, just turn the switch off. And you can see it goes from that bright with just the 2 bulbs to much better. So that'll make it nice.